I want to start by saying thank you so much for joining our business dependent to business ready training that we provided for you. In the next 60 seconds, I want to recap the game changing system that we covered and remind you why these next 6 weeks are so crucial for Acceleration Day's success. Remember, during the training, we solved two critical challenges. First, building a business that thrives while you're away for 3 days. Second, preparing your team to embrace the new strategies that you're going to be bringing back. See, most contractors ignore both of these and they wonder why changes after events are so difficult. Now you've got your critical functions audit, your delegation levels, and your communication protocols. You know how to identify your change champions and create openness to new ideas before you even leave for the event. You've got 6 weeks to transform your business from dependent to business ready. This isn't just preparation, this is business transformation that starts right now. I want you to use these tools over the next 6 weeks. When you walk into Acceleration Days, you're going to be the contractor and business owner who's ready to maximize every session because your business foundation is rock solid, and we can't wait to see and hear about your transformation post Acceleration Days. See you there.